Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. With the name of Allah, who is very kind and merciful. Welcome to DevOps King channel. In this channel, you will find the solution of different tasks about the Azure DevOps and AWS. Today, we shall start the new series for the dotnet8core microservices on the AKS, part 1. On this channel, you can get the training material for the Docker, Kubernetes, Terraform, Azure. If you have any queries, please message me on the channel. Every video on this channel are prepared by certified DevOps engineer. In order to search the channel on the YouTube, please use the word DevOps King. You will find the channel DevOps King. Please click the subscribe button so that you can get the notification about the latest upload on the channel. Let's start the new series of the CICD for .NET 8 microservices on AKS part 1. First of all, I shall cover the prerequisite for this series. Like, first of all, we shall configure Azure CLI. What is the Azure CLI? Azure CLI is the cross-platform command line tool. What are the benefits of the Azure CLI? We shall use this in our infrastructure, like the different benefits of the Azure CLI are automation and scripting, faster resource management, cross-platform support, cloud shell integration, and moreover, the infrastructure as a code. Infrastructure as a code means that we shall create the different services of the Azure by using the Azure CLI. And moreover, we can also use it for the preview features. Let's install it. Azure CLI. In order to install the Azure CLI, we shall download its exe from the URL install Azure CLI for Windows. After the download, we shall find that in the download folder. In the download folder, double click it, you will find the interface, this one. You will check the installation, accept the installation instruction, and after that you will click on the install button. When you click on the install button, after the installation, you will make sure that the version of the Azure CLI by applying the command az-version. When you apply this command, you will find out the version of the Azure CLI, which is 2.69.0. After that, installation of the Azure CLI on the hosting machine, we shall log into the Azure portal for the further working. So, in order to log in the Azure portal, we shall apply the command Azure login. This is the command that we can apply only if we have installed the Azure CLI. When you apply this command, you will get this interface. We shall select the second option, work or school accounts. By selecting this second option, we shall click on the continue button. When you click on the continue button, you will get the interface like this one, this interface. You will provide the email of your account, the account that you have created on the Azure portal. So, you will provide the email of the account. We shall press the next button. After providing the email, we shall press the next button. When you press the next button, the next interface is this one. We shall provide the password of our account. After providing the password of this account, we shall click on the sign in button. When we click on the sign in button, we shall get the interface, this one. This is the interface. This shows that we have successfully logged into the Azure portal from the command line. Because from the command line, we shall configure the Kubernetes for our series of .NET 8. This means that we have successfully log in to the Azure portal. After this, now we are configuring the second prerequisite of this series, CICD for .NET 8 microservices on AKS part 1. After configuring the Azure CLI, now we are configuring the Docker. Prerequisite 2 is the Docker. What is the Docker? You can, to work with containerized apps, we need this one. We shall use Docker to push the images on the Kubernetes for this. So in this case, we shall install the Docker. From this URL, we shall download the Docker CLI. When we download the Docker CLI, we shall select the option download for Windows. When we click on this, we shall check that the Docker is downloaded in our download section. Like on our machine, in that download section, download folder, we shall see this one, exe of the Docker desktop. When you click on this Docker desktop, there is an option of the WSL option. You will check the WSL option and press OK. When you press OK, our Docker installation will start. Now we shall, after the completion of the installation, we shall check the version of the Docker. After the completion of the Docker installation, we shall apply this command, docker version. When you apply this docker version command, you will get the result like this one. Docker version 28.04, build number is this one. Now we shall make sure that we have successfully installed the Docker. We have working Docker on our machine. So in order to make sure this, we shall apply this one. We shall apply docker run hello world. When we apply this command, first, because on our host machine there is no container of hello world. Hello world is the container provided by the Docker. So when we apply this command, the first line shows that unable to find the image hello world locally, because we have no image of hello world on our local machine. So first of all, it will check on the local, and after that it will download from the Docker Hub. Docker Hub is the place where we get the different images like MySQL, MS SQL, Linux, all other images that we shall use in our coming course of Docker, we shall use in that course. So hello from the Docker, this message shows that your installation appears to be working correctly. It means that the installation of the Docker is okay on our machine. These steps are most important for the new learner, for the beginner, like this one. This is the sequence in which the images are downloaded and executed on our local machine. Like the Docker client contact the Docker daemon. Docker daemon is a process that execute on the in the Docker, and the Docker desktop is the client that send request to the Docker daemon for the image like the hello world. After that, the Docker daemon pulled the hello world image from the Docker Hub. Docker Hub, I already told that Docker Hub is the place where we shall get the different images put by the different company like MySQL, MS SQL, all others. The third one is Docker daemon created a new container from that image which runs the executable that produce the output you are currently reading. The next one is Docker daemon stream that the output to the Docker client which sent it to your terminal. So Docker desktop is a client and Docker daemon gave the result to the client. So up to this point, we have successfully configured the two things. One is Azure CLI that we shall use in AKS, Azure Kubernetes, and the second one is the configuration of the Docker that we shall use for the containerized application. In the next part 2, I shall cover the more 2 prerequisite for this series, and after that I shall configure the AKS by using the Terraform. See you in the part 2. Wish you good luck for your future and career.